Hello, it's Diego, and today we will be talking about spectacular nature. So the first phenomena that we have in nature are called volcanoes. So a volcano is simply an opening in the Earth's surface, and we can usually find a volcano in a mountain and this opening allows gas, hot magma, and ash to escape from beneath the Earth's crust. I will show you pictures of what is ash, what is hot magma, and lava in the next slide. But before that, let's talk about that the lava or the magma that comes from a volcano can reach up to 1,250 degrees Celsius. So very, very hot. So we know how volcanoes are found or formed because they meet at two tectonic plates, and these tectonic plates, are pieces of the Earth's surface that fit together just like a puzzle. But interestingly enough, we know that we can find volcanoes on the ocean floor, within our oceans, and underneath ice caps. And we also know that planets and moons also have volcanoes too. And the largest volcano within our solar system is Olympus Mons, which is found on Mars. So here's a couple pictures. So this green cloud right here is called ash. Ash. Again, we can see more ash over here. And this red stuff is lava or magma. Lava or magma. Again, here we can see the lava and magma coming out, and we're underwater. And over here, this is Olympus Mons, which is the largest volcano we have within our solar system on the planet Mars. Now, I will show you a couple videos. We'll do this one first. So this is a volcano erupting. Extremely hot. So this is lava and magma together. And then, hopefully we won't have any problems with this, but this is a 360 camera that I will be controlling over here. So we'll be flying, so I can control the camera. You can see the plane, or sorry, not the plane, the helicopter, forgive me. So now we're offline. Let's say hello to the pilots that are flying the helicopter. So now we're in Russia, and there's the volcano. So right now, these are the gases that are leaving from the volcano. And pretty soon we'll have ash coming out too. So we are nearly 16,000 feet tall, or high. And this volcano is the largest active volcano we have on Earth. There's ash. Remember, the green clouds are ash. We're getting closer. Let's see if the pilots are... There's the pilots right there. And you can even see, oh, let's see. And you can even see some lava going down too. Lava and magma coming down. Let's say hello to the passengers. Oh, maybe not. I don't know where they are. And they're saying goodbye to us. Alright. So then now, I'm going to show you a quick experiment that you guys can do at home with the volcano. So all you will need is baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, some soap, some food coloring red or yellow. You want to mix it together or stir thoroughly, then you want to add vinegar. It's a very, very simple experiment anybody can do. This right here is telling the actual chemistry behind it. But the important thing is that this is how lava flows when it escapes the volcano. So it's very simple. Alright, so the next thing we'll be talking about, the last thing, we'll be talking about tornadoes. So a tornado, which in America we also call them twisters, are violently rotating columns of air that reach from a storm cloud to the Earth's surface. So very simply, a tornado is something that's spinning very, very fast, coming from the clouds down to the Earth. And I'll show you some videos and pictures about it. And in fact, the winds of a tornado, can reach up to 480 kilometers per hour. So extremely fast. And in fact, this is strong enough to peel or to take off the roofs of houses, lift trees in the air, and even carry large objects such as cars or trucks by a couple meters, a couple hundred meters. And the way that scientists measure tornadoes is called the Fujita scale, or also known as the F scale. So the F scale has a ranking from F0 to F5, F0 being the weakest and not the most destructive, while F5 being the strongest and the most destructive. And an interesting fact about tornadoes is that if a tornado occurs over water, then it's called a waterspout. Waterspouts, forgive me. Okay, so this is a tornado. So you can see that it's coming from the earth, from the clouds, and coming straight down. And you can even see a little bit of debris being picked up by it. Again, we have more tornadoes over here. And even lightning can also occur when there's a tornado storm happening. And finally, this is a waterspout or a tornado over a land of water. Alright, we'll be showing more videos about tornadoes. We'll watch this one first. So this shows how dangerous tornadoes are, how destructive they are. All the cows know that it's dangerous to stay there. So you can see cars, you can see roofs. There's a lot of destruction going on right now. So it's very, very strong. You can see it's pulling up trees. It's destroying the leaves. There's the house getting lifted up into the air. it's destroying a couple electrical lines, and you even have two tornadoes, one over there and two. And I think they're going to combine together to make one bigger tornado. And then we'll be looking at a water spout. So they were surrounded by 4 water spouts. So right now, the man, so they're talking about the story. He went lobster fishing, and he spotted 4 water spouts. He has his friend, himself, and his dog. And you can see the water spouts forming. So he's taking pictures and videos of it. So it's pretty amazing that he was able to do it. Very cool, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. He says that not many people have the opportunity to see a water spout forming. So, and he even runs through one, as you can see right now. He's talking about how all the hatches were coming out. And this part right here, the man is saying that he didn't have a life jacket. So a lot of people are angry over this person for not having a life jacket, for putting everybody at risk. He says that the water spout was only at an F0, so it was not dangerous. So that's why he took the risk to do it. Then after this part, he says that I would do it again, no problem. So very interesting. So that was a water spout. So the man, he was surrounded by 4, and he even went through one of them. So he had a very cool perspective of a water spout. Alright, and then the last thing I'll be talking about tornadoes are the experiments that you can do. So this is a very simple experiment that you can do. So we're going to make a tornado within a jar. Or a bottle. You can do it with a bottle. So you have a jar, you fill it up with water. You want to add a couple pumps of liquid soap and some vinegar. You want to close it. You want to close the jar tightly, shake it up a little bit, and swirl it, and you can see a tornado forming. So it's very, very simple to do a tornado in a bottle or in a jar. And that is it. I hope that you learned more about the nature that we have outside. And I hope that you guys do these experiments. They're very fun to do. And stay safe during these times and take care. All right, goodbye.